Hi, I'm Rachel from Gentle Frog, and in today's video of QuickBooks training, we're going to talk about how to enter bills in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so I'm going to start with the dashboard. I'm going to click on the left-hand side. I'm going to choose New. Under the Vendors column, I'm going to go to Bill. This brings up a blank bill screen. I'm going to enter a sample bill. So, we'll call it Invoice 1234, and we'll call it a rent. We'll say it's $100 because it's on sale. I say Save and New. Let's see here. Do sample vendor Zapier. So I want you to pretend like this is a situation where you have a stack of bills on your desk and you're just entering a handful of them. So bill number 345, and then from them we buy software. And apparently it's $5 because this is a land of make-believe. Save and New. Okay, so I've entered a couple bills and now I need to go and pay my bills. So the way the workflow would be is that if you had bills that come in throughout the month, but maybe you do a check run once or twice a month, you would enter the bills as they appear, and then you'd review your accounts payable and decide which bills get paid during this check run, and then you pay those bills. So I'm going to walk you through reviewing the accounts payable and then paying the bills. So on the left-hand side, I click on Reports, and then I choose Accounts Payable Aging Summary. If it doesn't appear in your favorites list, you can always find it by searching up here. And I like the Accounts Payable Aging Summary, so that's the report that I'm going to generate. Now I can see what I have due. It seems like I buy a lot from sample vendor Zapier. It seems like Test Vendor and Tony Test, those are both past due. Those are more than 90 days old, more than 3 months past due. So I probably should get on paying my bills. To go about paying the bills, well, there's one way to do it. You can click on New in the upper left-hand corner. Under the column of Vendors, go ahead and choose Pay Bills under the word Bill. In the upper left-hand corner, you indicate which account you're paying from. So in my pretend example, I'm going to say I'm paying from the credit card. So I'm going to call up all these people and pay the bills that I owe. I'm going to check off the people that I'm going to pay and the bills that I'm going to pay. I'm definitely not paying the $2 million bill. So however it works out, you identify, like, here's the bills I'm going to pay. The total of the bills that I'm paying is $238. So that's all these things that I've checked off. So I'm saying I'm paying this with credit card. I'm indicating which bills I'm going to pay. And then I'm going to choose Save and Close. So 7 bills are now marked paid. If, for example, you were paying the bills with your check, I'm going to show you how to do that. Click on New on the left-hand side. Under the column for Vendors, you'll go down to Pay Bills, and then you'll indicate which bills you're going to pay, and then you change the drop-down for a payment account. And the question is, where's the money coming from? So in this example, it's going to come from the checking account. We're not actually paying money out of the checking account. We're telling QuickBooks that we're going to pay money out of the checking account. The starting check number, well, this example, the starting check number is 1, but I bet if I look at my checkbook, it's not check number 1. So we're going to pretend that my check number is check number 7200. So I can choose Save and Close. I can also click the drop down and say Save and Print. So if you have check paper and you want to print out all these checks or bill payments on check paper, you can click Save and Print, and then you can indicate, are you doing the voucher style or standard style, and continue with the setup. So hopefully that answers all your questions about entering and paying bills. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. Thank you.